Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I'm gonna start my dinner. Uh, we're having a steamed fish. This is the Pompano fish. Got it in the store, of course, in the market, and they clean it for me. Everything. Yeah. So it's clean. Yeah. So along with the fish, we're gonna do simple way of steaming. So I'm gonna steam it here, and then here's our ingredients: scallion onions, uh, garlic. Oh my God, I almost forget the garlic, and ginger, and lemongrass, and jalapeno, spicy, and three colors of bell pepper. Does not have to have three colors of bell pepper, but we have that bell pepper, so I mean I have it available, so I'm gonna use it. So and then I'm going to use this kind of soy sauce. This is Japanese soy sauce, and or if you're gonna make this recipe, you can use regular soy sauce. And I'm gonna use water for that. So and then I'm gonna add I want it to a little bit of kind of sour, so I'm gonna add a oh my God, this is a vinegar. It's a apple cider vinegar. That's horrible. So yeah guys, I'm gonna start cooking now. So I'll show you how it looks like when it's done, right? Keep watching with me. All right, so we're gonna chop this vegetable. Okay guys, now I'm gonna chop this bit of scallion onions. I want it long ways, like that. So just like that, and then I'm gonna start my skillet now, my pan. This, yeah. So I'm gonna reheat this water. To start with, water, yeah. So it's 1 cup there. I'm probably gonna add more later. So basically right now I'm gonna do is chop this vegetable like this. So I want it to chop it like like this. Yeah, julienne, that's what I call it. So so it looks pretty. I'm gonna impress my husband to that I know how to steam fish, because all we do is frying fish. So trying to do something different. And then all the vegetable is gonna be chopped like this. So right. Okay guys, my water is boiling, the water. So I'm going to put this oops, that's ginger. We're gonna put the ginger first. So we will get the ginger's oil, and then we're gonna smash this. I'm not doing very good job. I'm smashing my I like to smash thing. Okay, so this is the lemongrass. So we're gonna get the I probably need to add more. There's a 1 cup of water in there right now. So probably you need to add more water. So, okay, let me get some water. Lord mercy. So 2 cups of water. I'm going to use this. I'm gonna add now the soy sauce. Let me taste. Oops. That was very careless. Okay. So I'm gonna let this one boil, simmer, and so we need I need the oil of the, you know, the lemongrass, and then the ginger, you know, and then we're gonna smash the garlic. Okay guys, now I'm going to add the fish. Woo! And now we're gonna put this I am going to let simmer this until the water, you know, it will evaporate. Put that, and then we're gonna let it simmer. Oops. Where is my good cover? Yeah. So oops. It's getting fogged. But it smells so good. So I will, you know, finish that. We're gonna I'm gonna add the other ingredients. Okay. Right. Smells so good. Wow. Now I'm adding the jalapeno because we like spicy. I changed my mind. I didn't put the 2 jalapeno, just 1, because it's kind of big, the jalapeno. So okay, it's going to be continue simmer until the fish is done. done and tender. Of course, done will be tender. I added some vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Woo. Now it's getting sour. Okay, you guys, it's done the fish. Look at that. Ooh, it's going to be right here. Since I have two, I'm going to just put it like that. And then I'm going to put it like that. Put it like that. Like that. It's yummy. It is yummy, really. If you don't, because you're not smelling it, I'm the one who's smelling it. To be honest, let me get it served, including the juice. Oops. Oh, mine as well. So the ingredients in there. Okay. So I know, weird the color because of the light with my lighting. So here is my steamed fish. So you guys, the juice, that's all left on the water. They evaporate the water, you see. So let me taste that. What? I know it's done. Just taste. See the fat of the good thing about a pompano, you don't need any more oil because there's plenty of oil on pompano fish. So I'm going to show you how good it is. So oh god, very good. So it's been cooking like 25 minutes because the fish is big. They're a big fish. Very so yummy. So give me thumbs up if you like my recipe. See you later.